Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to get free rewards on the Temu app. So let's get started. First, open the Temu app on your device. If you haven't already, you can download it from the Play Store or App Store. Once the app is open, log into your account. Tap the big U button at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on Earn Credits and Free Gifts. You'll see several options here. Select the All Gifts Waiting option, then tap on Pick Gifts. Here, you can choose free items available to you. You'll need to pick at least 3 gifts. Simply tap and select the items you one by one. To unlock these gifts, you need to earn energy by inviting friends. Tap on Invite Friends and share your invite link or referral code via social media, messaging apps, or email. As your friends join using your link, you'll gain energy. Once you have enough, you can open all 3 gifts and claim your free rewards. And that's it, super easy and fun. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.